What's the feeling that Chinese entrepreneurs have about copying technology? Because I think one of the cultural things in the US is just really not respected if you
Yeah.
copy.
Yeah.
So like that's seen as a big problem. And is there some degree to where in China it's not?
No, unfortunately, this is a big cultural difference. Our sense of property rights is actually quite different from the US. I think that will change over time, but absolutely, you're right. They have no qualms about copying as long as it leads to success, right? That's the difference in values. Uh, as we mentioned in the beginning, you asked why the level of competition is so fierce. Well, they all do the same thing. Once they've seen one successful thing, everybody does the same thing. You'd have no respect for doing that in the US, right? But in China, it's all fine. But I think that over time it will change. Just give it a little bit of time.
So do you fundamentally it's a bad thing?
In the end, if China's all about innovation technology, you cannot not have very strict IP protection,
True. Yeah.
right? And ultimately, again, we're still in the short, flat, fast
Yeah.
stage, right?
Yeah.
When we graduate from that stage, you're going to have very different views about these things. And you're going to try to diversify and do different things. But again, it's a stage. Chinese people were hungry. They're still a little bit hungry. They're not going to be as hungry in the future.